Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the very beginning basics of how to use Windows 10. Let's dive right into this. The first thing we're going to look at is the taskbar. That is this long bar with applications down here. You can start off, this is the start button. It has a list of all of your applications, your login, documents, pictures, settings. You can see the settings there. There's also the power options. You can put it to sleep, shut it down, and restart it. This is Cortana. You may or may not have it activated. You can speak into it there, talk to Cortana, or you can just search and also go through your apps, documents, web, and more. This is your task view, which I covered in a past episode, which you can add multiple desktops, have multiple things running. It's quite useful. And these are all your applications. The big ones here is your File Explorer. Drag it in from the side. You can see all of your files, 3D objects, desktops, which is all of the files on the desktop. I covered that in a previous episode. Documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, and anything on your hard drive. And then your browser, which is anything online, any web, anything that you might need online, your email, anything. And then over here, we have all of these little icons that have multiple uses. So I have my Malwarebytes, my touchpad here. There's also Bluetooth. Here's microphone, because right now I currently have my microphone running. That's how much power I have. I am plugged in and 100% fully charged. This is the Wi-Fi, which I'm not connected to right now. My sound, I have it all the way up, bring it all the way down, and all the way back up. Calendar and time, as you can see here, and then you can add more calendars. And then this is your notifications menu. You can see all your notifications, and down here you can adjust some settings. I can't right now because this is an external monitor. You can do screen snip, which is pretty fun. I can literally take any portion of the screen and I'll save it to my clipboard, as you can see there. And it also shows up in my notifications. I'll just close that. Tablet mode, location, battery saver, not connected, night light, mobile hotspot, airplane mode, nearby sharing, all settings, network connect, project, VPN, focus assist, and screen snip. Location is self-explanatory, and so is battery saver. Bluetooth, you may or may not have this depending on what computer you have, but if you right click on it, go to settings, you can connect any Bluetooth device right here and pair it or anything else. Night light, turns on the night light, it makes it safer. It turns off the blue light, which makes it better for your eyes at night. Mobile hotspot, which is only available for some computers. Airplane mode, puts it on airplane mode, self-explanatory, which also turns off Bluetooth and nearby sharing. I will probably cover nearby sharing in a future episode, but not right now. All settings, I already opened that earlier. Network is the same as this down here. Connect is the same as Bluetooth, and project manages your monitor setup, assuming you have one. VPN is a completely different topic. Focus assist, I have never actually seen this before. It's pretty much the same as the do not disturb on any Android phone, which is the type of phone I use. And that's just about it. Whenever you first log on to your Windows computer, this is what you will usually see first. All you gotta do is click on it, enter your PIN or password if you have one set up, and you're in. It's all that simple. If you don't have this set up, I will be covering this in a future video, but otherwise, this is what you should have. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.